go to merchize.com. Enter all over print large tote bag on the search box to find the product in our catalog. On the product page, click on the Download Template and Mockup button. Or you can click on the Template and Mockup tab to find the link to download the template file. You can use Photoshop or other alternatives that support smart object functions to open the downloaded templates. Now, we will use Tote. Go to tote.com, drag and drop the template to Tote's workspace. Let's break down each part of this template. This area is the main body of the tote bag, with the front, back and the bottom of the bag. These two vertical sections on the left and right edges of the main template will become the side panels of the tote bag once sewn together. They connect the front and back panels along the bag's sides and give the tote its depth. Underneath is where you place the design for the bag's strap. For each tote bag, there will be a small pocket sewn inside the bag. You can add print to this pocket by place your design to the inner pocket section in this template. The top inner pocket front is the outer visible side. The bottom inner pocket back is the side sewn against the inner bag lining. Note that your design should cover the entire gray area. If there is gray space left blank, it may show white fabric in the final product. Notice the dashed green line? This green line makes up the safe print area, and all of your important elements or text should be placed within this green line. Anything placed outside the green line may be cut off during printing. For the next step, let's fill all the areas on this template with your own designs. For the front and back design, make sure to place your design centered in these two sections. Remember the left and right sides of the tote bag? When the bag is full stuffed, these sections might not be visible on the front but the sides of the bags. Avoid placing text, logos, or important elements here since the fabric may warp or curve in this section. Use designs or patterns that matches with the front and back to ensure the bags look cohesive from different angles. For the inner pocket design, you can use a matching or contrasting design from the outer panels. But remember to keep important graphics/text centered. Make sure your design cover the full entire gray area, and don't forget what we said about the green dashed line. Always keep your important elements within the green lines. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include on your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Tote, click on File, select Export As and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD files. You will find a PDF mockup file along with the preview images. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Tote. After opening the mockup file, look to the right side of your screen. You will see the layer panel. Double-click on the thumbnail of this layer here to open Smart Object on the new Smart Object tab before adding your design for the mockup. Turn off the example layer on top to reveal the template. Now you can fill this template with your own design. Or you can just fill this space with the design you have previously created with template file. Afterward, you should turn off the guide and other unnecessary layers. Then save Smart Object by holding Ctrl+S. Back to our files, you can see the design has been adapted to the mockup. You can select among the different mockup options right here. Just turn on the mockup option you like. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.
Merchize. Sell